to our sensational backyard.
Welcome.
So here we are, obviously, you just walk straight through the living and dining, and this is like an extension of the house, so it's an additional living space. We've got this amazing undercover portico, little seating zone.
Oh, wow.
Look at the brickwork.
I love that brickwork.
The brick above, that's nice. It's very nice.
Amazing Dave Franklin swimming pool, self-cleaning, the whole lot. It's got the bells and whistles.
Barbecue area, this is outdoor Caesar stone, a specialised product which is suitable for outdoors. Epic barbecue, and this, my friend, is amazing gas strut servery window. So you've got connection from inside to outside.
And guys, down here we have this incredible concrete bench seat. We've got an amazing little fireplace and a beautiful table where you can have your dinners on a hot summer evening.
Oh, this is cool, the fire pit down here and the bench seat. I wonder where they got this from. Well, they must have made that, maybe.
Yeah, that's made, it's like form.
It's really nice.
It would be nice to have some undercover. There's undercover up here. Where? No, but here, where you're seated.
Yes.
In the middle of summer in Melbourne, like an umbrella or something would be really nice.
So what you've done is you've really created zones. You've got living zone up here, another seating area here. This is a perfect dining table to serve as a big family. And then down here, again, is another zone, which is an epic play zone. And easy care maintenance lawn there.
It's you know, it's little. It's there, but it's I suppose it's enough.
And the kids can have a bit of fun. Oh,
Oh,
bingo.
that was a good one.
Hope you've enjoyed our room.